Sowore, the publisher of Sahara Reporters, has had about 3 times or more when he had been called out for alleged blackmail, defamation, and fake news scandal. That's what we're going to look at in this video. The 3 times that Sowore has been immersed in blackmail, defamation, and fake news scandal. The number one that we're going to look at is the recent one that happened where Sowore, using his Sahara Reporters, alleged that Peter Obi, the real reason that Peter Obi went to Rome at the inauguration of the new Pope of the Catholic Church, was to beg Tinubu for assistance over alleged 225 billion judgment debt that the Supreme Court ruled in favor of a company against Fidelity Bank. He said that Peter Obi went there to beg President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to save the bank. Now, Peter Obi has issued a statement detailing the fact that that was a fake news. And he described Sahara Reporters as the blackmailer-in-chief. Said that there was nothing like that. And already we have a statement by the Special Advisor to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, who narrated how President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Peter Obi met. If you recall, Bayo Onanuga issued a statement where he said that the former Ekiti State Governor, who is a Catholic like Peter Obi, was with Peter Obi when they cited Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president. And the former Ekiti governor told Peter Obi, let's go and greet the president since he's nearby here, let's go and greet him. And they went to greet the president. And they told the president that you are welcome to the Vatican. No, the president said in a light-hearted way, he said that, no, I'm the one to welcome you because I'm the head of the Nigerian delegation here. That was the fact that it was. It wasn't even that Peter Obi went to go and greet Tinubu. It was the former Ekiti governor who said, let's go and greet the president. They went. But the Sahara Reporters twisted this scenario to say that Peter Obi went. And there was no time that even the presidency talked about private audience with Peter Obi. But that was the narrative. And they linked it to Fidelity Bank. And he linked it. Sahara Reporters linked it to Fidelity Bank. And Fidelity Bank has come out to say the bank is healthy. This Central Bank of Nigeria has come out to say that the bank is as solid as a rock. It's as solid as the rock of Gibraltar. But you can see the persistent attack on Fidelity. They erroneously thinking that Peter Obi owns the bank. But Peter Obi said, I don't own the bank. I don't own the bank. Don't destroy this bank. 500,000 shareholders. They are the ones that will suffer if anything happens to that bank. And he said he never discussed anything with Bola Ahmed Tinubu about Fidelity Bank or anything at all. But that was the narrative. That was why Peter Obi described Sahara Reporters as the blackmailer-in-chief. Now, after Peter Obi has issued that statement, instead of recounting, at least recounting, saying, I'm sorry, if you have respect for your audience, if Sahara Reporters has respect for its audience, is to say, we are sorry, we got it wrong. Instead, they are doubling down. The next time I saw Sowore say Peter Obi is the money launderer in chief. He thought he can compete with Peter Obi in integrity. Peter Obi, who has managed state resources and came out clean, squeaky clean, and threw up all kinds of stories that makes no sense. So this is one of the key, the first one that came readily to mind about Sowore getting immense in blackmail, alleged defamation, and fake news scandal. Because this is classic fake news. And Peter Obi called it a blackmail. And Peter Obi considered it a defamatory. But Peter Obi is not one to bother himself about going to court to go and sort out this. He put the matter straight the way it is. Ordinarily, when a news organization is caught in this web of lies, you apologize and move on. But Sowore is still doubling down. So that's number one. Number two, time that Sowore had been was called out was Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala in her book Fighting Corruption is Dangerous. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala narrated how Sowore used Sahara Reporters to hound and defame her by publishing numerous fake news, negative news, and outrageous news about her. Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala is now the Director General of the World Trade Organization, re-elected following her marvelous first-time tenure. She was re-elected. In her book, Fighting Corruption is Dangerous, she enumerated how Sowore allegedly defamed her, blackmailed her through negative and fake news, just because, according to her, she couldn't do the bidding of Sowore or whatever those he represents wants the former Minister of Finance of Nigeria to do. Number three is when Lekan Fatodu in 2017 ensured or led to the arrest of Sowore. This Nigerian who is based in UK, he caused the arrest of Sowore for allegedly blackmailing him. Now, Fatal, the founder of Lehman Communications, a media services company, a media servicing company, and the publishers of Checkout magazine, claimed that he got Sowore arrested for criminal defamation and blackmail and threat to his life and career. And this is what he wrote on his first Facebook wall about this issue. He said, I'm sure you guys will remember how Sowore lied against me that I was used as a front to receive 1.7 billion naira of the National Security Fund. My refusal to agree to Sowore's criminal demands and got from the fictitious money made him to viciously attack my personality on his website. And imagine this is someone I have known and I have been assisting for almost 20 years. Fatodu wrote on his Facebook page. These are just the three that could readily come to mind of Sowore being accused of blackmail, of defamation, and fake news. If you know other ones you have heard, you can also put it on the comment section. What do you think about Sowore's modus operandi of using his Sahara Reporters to allegedly spread fake news against Nigerian leaders and others? What do you think? And what does that say about those who still read that Sahara Reporters and take the stories inside it as the truth? Do you think that Nigerians still will consider Sahara Reporters credible with all these kind of reports by people who are alleging that that platform has become an agent of blackmail, intimidation, harassment, and fake news? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.